for as long as wala pa pong nare-refer sa Justice Committee, hindi pa po na-trigger ang one-year bar rule. So, the House is actually in a position to receive subsequent complaints. Let us remember that the initiation process is completed when the complaint is referred to the Justice Committee. No? Right now, the two complaints is with the Office of the Speaker, as far as I know. Kahit ma-refer pa to sa, ma-include pa sa order of business ng plenary, for as long as wala pang nare-refer sa Justice Committee, there is no initiation yet, and there is no one-year prohibition yet.
Baka lang po may pagbabago from last Friday. Narinig na po ba kayong efforts to go for the one-third, for the fast track route when it comes to the VP impeachment?
Wala pa po kami naririnig for the fast track.